what we can do, we can just sort of take turns and correct the mistakes. The first one is correct. We usually go swimming at 8 o'clock. Yeah, so that's present simple. So yeah, so let's correct them. What about this one? So maybe Alvida, you can do the first one.
He's swimming now.
Yeah.
But,
so we need ing, yeah. We need
yeah,
ing.
swimming. Yeah.
Ing. Yep. Thanks, Liam. So we need is, yeah?
Oh,
Yeah. He's swimming now.
But
he isn't. No.
yeah, good.
He isn't.
He isn't.
He isn't running or run.
Running.
Run.
Yeah.
Right.
He isn't
So we'll
or is not.
That's right. Yeah, is not or isn't. Yeah. Running now. So we take this out. Yeah. And isn't running. Yep. Running now. Okay. What about the next one? Felipe, you want to do that one?
My friend eats ice cream every day.
Yeah, good. Yeah. So here we need an S, right? Yeah. S. Yep. Excellent. Yeah. Next one, Liam. Yep.
A plane flies very high.
Yeah, a plane flies. So we'll change this. Plane flies. Yep, very high. Yep. Be fast.
It is far.
Yeah, good. Yep. So instead of
it
is fast.
Pupil.
Yep.
It is purple.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, that was pretty basic, isn't it? It is purple. Yep. All right, next one, Lenny.
The butterfly flying in the moment.
Flying. So we change this to flying. And what else do we need?
Present.
Yep, this is present continuous. And what do we need before this word? We need the verb to be, right? So it's not is, but are. Good.
Are.
Yep, excellent. Yep, so the butterflies are flying at the moment. Yep. What about this one, Yin?
They and ride in the morning.
No.
So this is this present simple or present continuous, do you think? Because
present simple.
Present simple, excellent. Yeah, in the mornings. Yeah, it's like every morning. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, how do we say run in the negative?
They do not run in the morning.
Yeah, correct. Yep.
They doesn't run in.
Yep. They do not. Yeah, or they don't.
Doesn't.
Yep. Do we need the two? Do we need?
They doesn't too.
They don't run in the morning.
Yeah, exactly. So we can shake this two out. Yeah. They don't run. Let's go. Alvida, has everyone had a turn? Alvida again?
Yes.
What your mum do now?
What your mom do now? What your mom doing now?
Yeah, doing is correct. Yep, doing.
Yep.
Yes.
And what else do we need? We need something here. We need the verb to
What
be.
is your mom doing now?
Yeah, good. Yep, yep. Next one. Who do we have next? Maybe Liam.
Tom doesn't.
Yeah, good.
Doesn't go to school every day. Doesn't.
Yep, play.
Play on the side now.
Yep, on the slide now. That's right. Yep.
Yeah.
And what does this say?
He is ill.
Yeah, that's right. He is ill.
Tom goes to school every day.
Yep. So maybe Yin, you can do the next one.
Go to school every day.
Tom goes.
Goes. Yep. To school every day.
Go.
Okay. What about
Where
Where
are
are you going now?
where are you going now?
Where
Are you going now?
Are you
Where are
going?
you going now?
Where are you
Where are you
now?
going now? That's very personal, isn't it? Where are you
Where
going?
continue?
Okay, the next one for Lenny.
Oh. They student book in the evening. They often learning in the evening. Okay? Doesn't
They are not
they are not student book in the
reading books in the evenings. Hang on, actually, it's present simple. So, because it's in the evenings means
Yeah.
it's like every evening. Yeah.
they are not student book in the evening.
Yep. So they do not.
Do not they
Yep,
do
do not read. Take out to read books
they do
in
not
evenings.
book the evening
They often run in the evenings.
in the evening.
Yep, which is correct. Yeah, they often run. They do not read books.
Yeah.
Or they don't. You can also have don't.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
They often run.
Yep. So this one here, Alvida.
Her name be Anne. No, her name be Emma. Her name is Anne.
Yeah, good. Yep. Her name
No,
is
her
Anne.
name is Amy.
All right. Next one, Liam.
Carries.
Good.
Wait.
Carries.
Okay, Philip. Your dad always carries heavy bags. Yeah, so that's. Yep. Do this one. Our granny.
Our granny can cook yummy cakes.
Yeah, excellent. Yep.
No, true.
That's right. Yeah. Our granny can cook yummy cakes. Yep. Excellent. Okay. This one here, it's a bit hard to see. Let's do Yin.
Yeah.
Yin.
You having a good time now?
So now is definitely having, isn't it? Yep.
Yeah.
And what do we put before having?
You are having.
Yeah, you are
Having.
having.
You are having a
You
good
are having a good time. Now, I think it's a question though. So
Are you having
yeah,
a
excellent.
good time now?
Yeah, excellent. So we're going to swap these over. Are you
having a good
having a
time?
good time? Oops. Felipe, you want to do the next one?
My friend and I am having fun and
Yeah, good. Yep. So having. Yeah. So having. My friend and I. And what do we need before having?
I am.
So it's not just me. So it's not am.
No.
My friend and I. Not am
We
having. Yeah.
We're having fun at the moment.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
We are.
Next one, Lenny.
Helen
Tidy.
her room everywhere. Helen Harry. No. This present simple, yeah.
Yeah, it's present simple. That's right, because it's every week.
Everywhere.
Yeah, it's every week.
Helen.
So it's present simple. So how can we put this in the third person?
Helen is tidy.
So Helen tidies. Yeah.
Her room everywhere.
Her room every week. Good.
So
Yeah. Yep. So we just need to change it because it's like I tidy my room every week.
Everywhere.
But she tidies.
She tidies her room everywhere.
Every week. Yep. Okay. The next one. Yin, did you have a turn or already? Yeah, you already had a turn, didn't you? We'll go back to Alvida, I think.
Yes.
Yep, Alvida.
When you get it up.
You get
One.
Yeah, you can say
you
when.
get up?
You can use or you can use present simple or continuous. I mean, depending on what you mean. Yeah. Do you want to say
you get-
when?
When you getting up?
When are you get up?
Are you getting up? When are you getting
Okay. If we change it to present continuous, we can say
Yes.
when are you
You getting up.
getting up?
Yep.
When are you getting up? Yep. All right. The next one, Liam.
When is your best friend getting up?
Close. So we need something here, don't we? When is your
No, when
best
is.
friend? Yeah, you could say
When is
when
your
is.
best
When
friend?
is your best? When
Yeah,
is
when
your best
is
friend get up?
your best friend getting up? Yep. What if we mean, frequently? We can say when does your friend get up? Yeah, you can also say. But we chose to use the present continuous here. All right. What about this one? You did that one. So maybe Felipe, you want to do this one?
The
The
boy
Is kind now.
skiing now.
So
Skies
ski.
now. He is happy.
Yep, good. He is. Yep, he is happy. Is right. But what about now? This is so which tense do we
Skies.
use?
Yeah.
Now,
where is it?
present continue.
The boy,
Yeah, very good. Yep. Present continuous with now.
Yeah.
But the boy,
the
Yep.
boy is
Skiing.
Yes. Good.
the boy is
Yeah.
skiing right now.
Is
The boy is
skiing
He's skiing now.
now. Good. Yep.
he
He is happy. Yep.
is
All right. Next one. Maybe Yin.
she and Tom dancing now?
Yeah.
Is dancing.
So
Are dancing.
Are dancing.
are dancing. Yeah.
Yeah, both. Sure.
So Tom. Yep. She and Tom are dancing now.
now.
Yep. Is correct. But because there's a question mark.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we make it a question now?
She and Tom dancing now.
Is
He is.
she?
Is because she.
Yeah, because she. Strange
Yeah.
one, isn't it?
Is
Is
she?
she and Tom?
And
Or you can say, are they? Yeah, if you wanted to. You could say, are they dancing now? Okay. Next one. Lenny? I think it's Lenny.
Masa studying.
Mhm.
Masa studying.
Yep.
Masa studying is school. She like school. Will being her teacher.
Mhm.
Masa studying is school. She like
She likes.
She likes school.
Good. She likes
Where is
school.
her teacher?
she likes school. Will be her teacher.
There. Yeah. We can just say, yeah. You could say will, but we'll just use is. Yeah.
This
Is her teacher. What about this? Masha studies.
Studies.
Yep.
This person
Studies. Yep.
Masha studies.
Masha
Studies.
studies
Masha
at
studies.
school. Yeah. Good.
yeah
Next one. I think
trying the
Alvida.
The elephants usually play tennis. The elephant usually plays tennis.
Very good. Yep.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Liam, the next one. Yeah. So this is present simple. This one.
Not eating pizza.
don't
Yeah,
eat
you could say that.
No.
Our friends are not eating pizza. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
They are drinking
Yep.
cola.
Yeah.
I'm interested if you'll make
Are-
present simple.
Okay. I'll just change it to continuous. So our friends are not eating
Pizza.
Yeah,
They
so
are
we're just
drinking
talking about
Coke.
at the
Just
moment,
our
yeah.
friends
So
aren't
they
eating
are
pizza.
drinking Coca-Cola. Okay. What if we wanted to
O
change
sea,
this
hablan de
to
Present
la
simple,
comida
yes.
propia o de
Simple?
mis amigos propios, de mis amigos.
If we wanted to change this to present simple, our friends, we wouldn't say are, but
Our friends.
friends who can help. How do we make this negative? Our friends not eat pizza.
Don't eat pizza.
Yeah, good. Yep. Don't. Yep. Don't eat pizza. Okay. They
Are drinking cola now.
they. This is positive, so we don't need don't. So they
Drink.
Well, here you've got now, so it's not really present simple.
Yeah, we can't change.
But you, yeah, but if you took out now, you could say
Yeah.
they drink cola.
Yes,
Yeah.
they drink Coke.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. We up to maybe Felipe? Do the next one.
I usually give my friends present for their birthday. I am usually give gifts.
So remember,
No.
with usually, yeah,
Yeah.
we always use a present simple with usually, yeah, because it's frequent. Yeah, I usually give my friends presents.
My friends.
This one's actually correct.
Yeah. It's yeah.
Yeah. You're probably going,
So,
oh, what's going on? I'm trying to
I can't
find
find grow there.
yeah, you can't find a mistake. Yeah.
Yeah,
So can you
exactly.
see this? Yeah. Have you got always? Yeah. It's present simple.
My favorite
Yin?
that's been new
My favorite holiday is New Year.
Yeah, very good. My favorite holiday is New Year. Yep. The next one. Lenny, would you like this one?
We didn't invite now.
So keep it positive. Keep it positive. Don't need to change it to negative.
Yeah.
We've got now here, yeah. So that's
Think now. We're riding a bike now.
We write bite now.
Yeah. So
Yes.
if
For bad now.
yeah, so we need ing. Yeah. If it's now,
Lettering.
yeah, we
right.
Now.
Written.
Is
Right.
right.
What do we put here?
Are.
Yeah.
Riding a bike now.
Riding a bike now.
He plays.
Yep.
He
Is playing football.
Playing. Good. Yeah. He.
Playing.
And then yep. And what do we need here?
He's playing.
Yeah, I heard.
Playing
Yeah,
football.
I heard Yin say it.
He's playing football now.
Okay. Alvida?
Okay, the nursery now they buy presents, so probably is present continuous.
Yeah, good. Yep.
They don't reading now. They buying presents. They don't reading now.
Yeah.
Not don't, but
They
aren't
aren't.
reading now. They aren't reading now.
yeah, very good. Yeah, they aren't reading now.
They
Yeah, they aren't reading now. They buying presents.
Buying presents.
They aren't reading now.
Yep. So we take out the two. Aren't reading. Okay, and the last one. Maybe all together.
Okay.
The fish be bright.
Is bright.
The fish is bright. Yeah, good.
Swimming in the sea.
It's swimming in the sea now.
It is, yeah, very good. It is swimming.
Present continue.
In the sea now. Very good. Yep, present continuous. And we did a double M. Yep, fantastic. All right.